Ben, my buddy, my pal, my friend. I feel like we are just old pals, man. Like, went back to high school and everything. I am so glad that you came into this Harley dealership and you bought a bike from me, because, buddy, oh man, we're like soulmates, dude. We're biffles. Oh, hey man, thanks a lot. Yeah, I mean, I really feel at home here. I feel like part of a family. I've just kind of joined. It's really exciting, and I am so excited to buy this bike. So yeah, let's just get a few things out of the way before we get into this. You know, we're gonna need a down payment, so if you could take care of that real quick. Oh yeah, okay, hold on. Arm, leg, all right. Oh, that's a good down payment, but don't forget, you bought a special, so we're gonna need a little bit, you know, a little more, if you know what I mean. Oh, no, you're right, yep, yeah, I did. Hold on. Firstborn, all right, we are ready to go. There you go, much better. Yeah, we'll take that. Thanks, guy. All right, good job. All right, guys, so come on, we're gonna go take a tour of the store. You are gonna love this. A tour? I mean, do we really need a tour? The store's not that big. I mean, I can literally see all the way around it right now. Well, yeah, I know that you've already seen the store and stuff, but we like to give you the rock star treatment. And the only way to do that is to really just take you around the store and show you everything and introduce you to everyone. It's just tradition, man. We got to do this. All right. Yeah, I guess I like feeling like a rock star. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, let's go. All right, I knew you'd see it my way. Come on over. So first we got the clothing section. You are gonna love this section. We have everything. We've got Harley helmets, Harley shirts, Harley hoodies, Harley shoes, Harley socks. Basically, if you could put a Harley logo on it, we went ahead and did it and marked it up 30%, and it's right over here for you right now. Did you want to buy anything from here? Did you want any? Yeah, I don't really see myself buying any Harley clothing. It's not really my thing. All right. Well, I'll let you think about it and we'll come back to that. So let's go ahead and go over to the next section. All right, so this is the parts section and you are gonna love it here. You're gonna spend so much money, so much time here. You have no idea. I mean, let's be honest. You're gonna want a little more roar in that bike. So you're gonna need a nice loud exhaust, maybe some cams. We've got the whole Screaming Eagle section over here. You're gonna love it. And let's be honest, you're gonna want this because you don't want to buy that third-party stuff and void your warranty. You know what I mean? No, we're just looking out for you, buddy. We're just looking out for you. It's cool. But yeah, you know, the other stuff, let's be honest, that seat's not too comfy. I mean, like, you got the old hemorrhoids. You're not going to be able to ride that seat for too long. So we've got some over here you could buy. And nobody likes those big, goofy beach bars. So we've got some ape hangers because, let's be honest, you need those ape hangers to make it look cool and let everyone know that you're a badass biker. So definitely check out our parts. Did you want to buy anything? Sorry, did you say something? Did you say you want? Why do I need parts? I just bought a brand new bike. I mean, it comes with all the parts I need. I saw it. 2 wheels, an engine, seat, handlebars, lights. Yeah, I mean, all the parts are on the bike. Don't really feel like I need to be here. No? Okay. We'll come back to this. Just, all right. All right, so on to the next section. So we've got the clothing section. Another clothing section. Yay? Yeah, I know I showed you a clothing section, but this is a different clothing section. And we've got all kinds of other stuff here. I mean, it's not even just clothes. We got lawn gnomes, we got Lego sets, we've got steering wheel covers, we got stickers for you to put on the back of your cage, you know, so when it's like snowing out and stuff and you have to be a cager, but you want to let everyone know that you're a badass Harley owner, we've got the stickers for you. It's all over here. Did you want to buy any of this? Did you want us to include it in your loan? It's cool. I mean, like, same interest rates. That sticker would look great on the back of your car at 20% for 6 years. No, I don't need a sticker. And no, don't put that on my loan. Are you nuts? Stop it. All right. We'll move on. I'll let you think about it. It's cool. So over here, we have the service center. And you're going to love the service center. You're probably going to spend a lot of time at the service center. So really get to know these guys. Service center? Why do I need a service center? I literally just bought a brand new bike. It's right over there. I can see it from here. It is a brand new bike. There's nothing broken on it. I don't need to come here. Oh, I know you just bought a new bike, but let's be honest, you're gonna have to put those new parts on, and you're not gonna wanna do that yourself because, well, void your warranty. We don't want that to happen, right? We're here to take care of you. And, you know, if you didn't purchase that VIP package I was talking about, then you're gonna be here a whole lot longer. But don't worry, we got you covered. Right over there is the camping section, so you can buy one of the Harley tents from the clothing section and go ahead and set up right over there because, let's be honest, if you didn't get that VIP pass, you're gonna be here for a while, buddy. So, and you're gonna be here often. So let's just be honest with that. But yeah, don't worry about it. This is the section you want to get to know. This is cool. What do you mean a Harley tent? Like, what do I want a Harley tent? All right, come with me. We're gonna go take a look at the clothing section. Yeah, that's right. I know. I showed you a clothing section before and another one. This is a different one. We got leather jackets. We got all kinds of stuff. I mean, let's be honest. Like, this is the section you're gonna want to be in. Look, man, like wearing brands like Harley and all that stuff, it's just not my thing. I don't know why you keep pushing this on me. Oh, I know you don't have any Harley stuff in now, but it's kind of like, what are those things called? The Borg on Star Trek? You just kind of slowly get assimilated. You don't even realize it's happening until it happened. What the hell just happened? What just happened? See, that's what I mean. There you go. You are looking good, buddy. Looking good. I am impressed. Yep, don't worry. We'll pop that all on your loan, an extra 20%, you know, for 6 years. Yeah, you got this, buddy. You got this. No, I don't want to pay 20% on a steering wheel cover for 6 years. What kind of insanity is this? Where the hell am I? I thought I was just buying a bike. Just don't worry. That $200 code, it's only going to be like $400 or $500 by the time you're done paying it off. But it's cool. It's cool. No money down today. No, come on. All right, let's go over and take care of your bike. All right, before we let you leave with your bike, we got a couple ceremonies we like to do just to make you feel special. So go over there and ring the bell. All right, I'll go ring the bell. Oh, that was some awesome bell ringing you did. Now go ahead and bang the gong. Bang the gong. Yeah, banging the gong. You are awesome. Now pull the train whistle. What? I'm not pulling a train horn. What kind of nonsense is that? No, all right. You don't have to pull the train whistle. We just like to celebrate. And hey, let's go ahead and cue that 20-year-old generic rock music that you hear on the same radio stations all the time, just so everybody knows that you just spent a whole bunch of money on a bike. Yeah, didn't that just rock? Yeah. Oh, I hate that song. Why are we doing all this celebrating? I just bought a bike. It's no big deal. Come on, this seems a little over the top. You guys got to calm down a little bit here. It's not like I just had a child or something. Well, yeah, it is a big celebration because it's just like having a child. You're basically just going to keep throwing money down a hole forever and ever and ever, and it's never going to be good enough. Like, you're always going to want to improve on your bike. It's always going to cost you money. Like, it's just going to be one vicious cycle of you coming back here, buying more stuff, us bolting it on there, until it comes time that this bike turns 18, you kick it out of the house and you buy a new one. 18 months. You're coming back here in 2 years because we're going to slightly upgrade the bike, maybe put like a half an inch bigger stereo on it or add 2 cubic inches to the engine and tell you that you better get back here and buy a new one. You don't want to be riding around with 2-year-old paint, do you? You want the new stuff. Yeah, so, you know, this is just like a child. You're just tossing money down the pit. It's cool, though. It's cool because you are now part of the Harley family, and we welcome you. We got a big hug waiting for you. Come on in. Not too close. Not too close. We're not that kind of company. Yeah. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. If some of you got cold chills up and down your spine, that's because some of this stuff is actual real conversations you have when you go buy a brand new Harley from a Harley dealership. This is the sad part is like, you know, the funniest things and the stuff that make good comedy are rooted kind of in truths. So yeah, like the VIP package, the tour through the store, like 3/4 of the store being a clothing store. Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dork you know who's like, oh, I felt like a rock star when Harley took me for a tour through the store. He loves this stuff, trust me. I'll see you all on the flip side.